Hi, welcome to Titi's Playhouse. Today we're going to be reviewing Adventure Club. This is a really awesome kit that we got at Five Below, and it's a whole bunch of science experiments for the older kids. So you get a whole bunch of acids in here. You get acrylic acid and things like that. So you get all of that. And then you can make a little bottle rocket. You have the amazing sand. You have a lot of other things in there, snow powder. And for today's purposes, we will be making a fun experiment with chalk and vinegar. So this is pretty cool. So the other thing that I find really cool about this is that it comes with all these cool cards, just like this one. And if you turn it around, it gives you the ingredients. So this one it just says chalk and vinegar. So we're going to find out what happens. So it just tells you to have a nice clean cup. And then we're going to put some vinegar halfway. Alright, hold on. Okay. Now, just to make it a little bit funner, I'm going to add some food coloring. Okay. Then it says, the directions are fill the glass halfway with vinegar, drop a small piece of chalk into the vinegar, and watch what happens. Oh, let me get this out of the way. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing's really happening here. Yoo-hoo, vinegar. Okay. So maybe it was the fact that we added some food coloring. So we're going to swirl it around again. Nothing. So we're going to dump this out. We're going to follow the directions completely this time. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So let's see. Have a regular vinegar and chalk. Yeah. Nothing's really happening there, so I guess this one's a bust. Okay. You know what? I'm kind of impatient with this stuff. So I'm going to dump the rest of the chalk in there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, guys, I think this one is a bust. So this was the chalk and vinegar. So stay tuned for any more videos that we're going to do about this. I'm not sure yet. We probably will. So we're probably going to do this. We're going to disprove or prove every single one of their challenge in this box. So stay tuned.